Hello, I'm Dean Karstens, and this is Dean's N-Scale Trains. Today I'm going to show you how I put together this nifty little yard office building from these parts. The parts at the back are PLA printed out on a 3D printer. These are printed out on photo paper. I've previously showed you how I did that in an earlier video that I'll reference in the description below. Here's a photo of all the labeled parts. First thing to do is to clean this part up. The edges might have a little bit of an edge, and there might be tiny bumps at the corner. So I'll just sand this with a sanding block with 200 grit paper. Clean that off with a cloth, and we're ready to go. So I'm going to use super glue for putting these things together. First thing to do is to I'm going to put down some paper towel in case that spreads a little bit too much. Just make a slightly more even coat than I did. And we'll put that down. And press it for a few seconds. You see a little bit oozed through there. And some came out the edges. And you can see that it came through there, but that's not a problem. We'll just set that aside for now. If you glue all four sides at once, you can hopefully keep it off your fingers. It should set up fairly fast. Then glue the last flap. Be sure to do this side underneath, otherwise it's going to be kind of ruined. And we'll put the smokestack on. Note, it's a little hard to see, but one of these edges is a little bit long. It should go against the wall. Now we'll let that set up for a while. Now you notice there are 2 location pegs and 2 holes, so this is pretty straightforward. And again, we'll let that set up. Now I put a block here to mark where the tank is going to help keep it square, keep the tank square. Probably best not to drink all the coffee I do.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Dean's N-Scale Trains. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.